How are you doing, everybody? Just a quick video here on the mass airflow sensor. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let's get stuck in. Hello and welcome back to my channel on this 19th of April and a lovely, well, cloudy but nice sunny day here in Cork in Ireland. But anyhow, today I'm going to do a quick clean up of my mass airflow sensor, which is this here. And there's a few little pieces you need to do this, which would be electric contact cleaner. We can get that pretty simple, any motor factors or place like that. Screwdriver, star head. This case I'm using a posi bit on a screw gun, so you use screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver just to help just sort of prise it up, you know. So with that, the first thing I'm going to do is just take off the electrical connection. So as you can see, there's a little wee flap here. You push that and then it should come off easy enough. That's the first job. Second job is to take off these screws. Now, you know, keep these things all clean and that, you know, this is to do with the amount of air that's being mixed with the fuel. So if that's not right, well then you're going to get bad miles per gallon, you know? So it's really simple enough just to do these things every so often, just to keep on top of things. There you go, it'll come off nice and easy. Let's have a look and see how dirty it is or isn't. It doesn't look to be too bad. This one is in here. Let's see, can we get in a bit closer? There's that. Anyhow, that's what we're going to be cleaning. You can see it's a bit oily there, so it's a bit dirty. So give this a nice clean up here now. Bring it over here, out of the way. This stuff dries really quick, so it does. As you can see, that's the sensor there. Well, let's see it there. That's it there. The little thing there. Stuff dries within seconds. It's designed exactly for that. Let's have a wee look at this now. Lovely job. Yeah, still very dirty, so we'll get a bit of blue paper and just give that a bit of a clean off there. A lot of sort of oil and stuff that's on this. So let's get this cleaned. Here we go. I like to keep things nice and clean. I'm just going to give that one more blast to this stuff here now. Let me just see if the wrong glasses on. This stuff dries off really fast. It is for cleaning these things, for cleaning electrical stuff, so we'll do it absolutely no harm whatsoever. There we go. That's a nice cleaning there now. Just give it one more and just look to get these things right. A quick little drive, as you see in there. Just slow this down. I'll dry off there in a second. that's it, nicely clean there now. There's a few pieces in here. You have this little small piece here, and there's another one of them in there. There's a few bits and pieces in there, but that has to be clean. I give that's been just 4 or 5 minutes just to let it dry, but it dries really quick, this stuff, and it's really good stuff for doing this. So we pop it back in. We got screws, screw it back up. Reconnected. 3. Let me just fire that off there. I'm gonna fire that off for me. That's what's neutral. Smooth as it can be, very lovely job. So quick and easy job, just to get the mass out after the centre. Save it a few minutes. You know what, this video takes 4 or 5 minutes. Anyway, hope this is of some use to somebody out there. Give us a bit of support there, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and most important, stay safe, have a nice day.